I think she's come out. She came out the queue. She's come out the queue.
Why?
Alright. Here we go.
Casper, if you're scared, just hold on to them black things.
Hey!
Oh yeah, I don't remember going on it. Dad, I don't remember going on it when it was blue. Dad, I don't remember going on it when it was blue.
Here we go.
Let's go!
Woo!
There it is.
Woohoo! 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 Hey! Woohoo!
This is the best fly ever.